We're doing rear shocks on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Jacked up the car, put on jack stands, make sure it doesn't move. I take a WD-40 and I kind of WD-40 the back of the bolt on both sides. Sometimes a little bit of rust gets in here. And then 17. And I just like to use a breaker bar. So just need a little bit of a tension on it. And then once it's loose, then you can put ratchet on it and down here. Hey, I thought that nut back there was welded on, but it's not. And then it's popping off. This is that. Put your finger back. No, that one's good. The top bolt out. Pull the bottom one out, and it should just fall. So, and we'll get our here's the OE, and these have a rear right, yeah, rear right. About the same. So the RR doesn't mean rear right. Means something else. Line that one up. Like that one's, they are double, they're different sizes, so pay attention to this part. Here. So I just kind of push it up with one hand, and I kind of go where it's past. One on top. The back one behind. All right, we're gonna tighten that bolt, tighten that one. And the other side is exactly the same. Just a easy one for the do-it-yourselfers. save some money. And the part is pretty cheap at the dealership. I wouldn't buy aftermarket. I would just get the OE. Good luck.